Hi, I'm Stacy with WTI. You know how sometimes you need to really switch up your snack bars, but you're really nervous about what they're going to taste like? These snack bars from ALOHA is the perfect variety pack so that you can try out all of these great nutritious protein bars. You can see in the box it comes with 2 chocolate mint, 2 vanilla almond crunch, chocolate fudge brownie, peanut butter chocolate chip cookie dough, and coconut chocolate almond. All of these bars do not have a chalky taste, but rather you can taste those great ingredients in each of them. When I'm craving something sweet, they just really fill the need. They have 14 grams of protein in all of them, so they really satisfy that craving, but then also leave me feeling full. I really love all of the chocolatey goodness ingredients in all of these bars. My variety pack came with 2 each. You can see I have 1 each left because I've tried all of them and I found that they were really delicious. If you're looking to get into a new health bar but you're not sure if you're going to like the taste, this is the perfect variety pack that will satisfy all of your sweet tooth cravings. And that's my point of view.